and in this video I'll just show you something I noticed real quick. So this is 5th of January 2024, and there's something I want to just bring to your notice. If you trade pairs that have this Great Britain pounds as the main pair in every trade, let's say GBP, whatever pair, just pay attention to this time. Like from at 6 a.m, you as a trader, you're meant to be awake. Then go to your chart and check for other blocks or whatever reclaimed blocks or whatever that whatever entry model you make use of. Seek for the highs and the lows, the previous day highs and lows. Then when you do that, you come to your chart and wait and see what price will do from 7 a.m to 10 a.m. If you sit and watch, put all the pairs you have on your put all the pairs you have on your trading view and backtest this thing I'm telling you from 7 a.m to 10 a.m. Most times this thing happens from 7 a.m to 8 a.m. So make sure you be at your chart before 7 a.m. Make sure if you are in Nigeria, make sure you be on your chart before 7 a.m. Now, for instance, this trade here, let's move to the 30 minutes time frame. This is a breaker block on a downtrend. This pair was on a downtrend, initially on a downtrend before the trend switched up to an uptrend, as you can see here, before there was a shift here. All right, so when it was on a downtrend, where I was expecting this place here to be my supply zone. I'll be selling from here, but when price came and changed trend and became an uptrend, that supply zone where I expected to sell from now became a demand zone. All right, so price reacted based off from this former supply zone and it bought. Now, in case you missed this first move, which happened at around 2 to 3 a.m, when you wake up, you will see something like this. You see something like this. Let me delete this thing here. You will see it bounce off here at 3 a.m, just like this on this breaker block. It's called breaker block. A supply zone turn demand zone turn supply. Now, when you see this, you just come here. Okay, you wait for it to break structure so you can use confirmation entry. Now, when it's tapped into this zone, as you can see here, tapped into this zone, we move to the lower time frame for entries. Let's use 15 minutes time frame on this. Now, when you see it made this break of structure here, then you see this other block here, then you mark it out like this. Then you keep your tool, your long position tool here. Just wait for price to come. Whatever you are targeting, maybe 1 to 3. Let's say we are targeting 1 to 3 on this trade, 1 to 3, and your stop loss will be slightly below the other block here. Now let's check when price came to tap into this our zone here. This our demand zone. Can you see 6? Let me use the vertical line here so you can see the first tap. Now, can you see the time? 7 a.m. Let me change the color to red. Can you see the time here? 7 a.m. sharp. Now, when it came there, it tapped into it. The second time it came down again. Check the time. The second time it came down. Check the time. Can you see? I don't want to make this video too long. See the time, 8 a.m. So if you had stayed on your chart from 6 a.m, you would have caught this trade, and let's see where it hits take profit here. So if you woke up 6 a.m and you waited for this, you would have hit your TP at 9:50 a.m. and closed your chart. So you see, 3 risk to reward fast. All right, so let me show you another one on another pair that happened this morning. Now this is euro Australian dollars. As you can see here, let's move here. This was meant to be a supply zone here. Was meant to be a supply zone before the trend changed. All right, now that supply zone turned a demand zone here, as you can see, and price came directly, mitigated it first time, then you wait for this break of structure before you have a re-entry. Now let's see the time it mitigated the first time. It was, can you see, 8 a.m. Wow, it mitigated 8 a.m. exactly. Now after the break of structure, let's move to the lower time frame. So it mitigated 8 a.m. sharp. Let's delete this. So it mitigated 8 a.m. This is a change of structure here, change of character, and this here is our order block here, as you can see. When you put your long position here fast and you target 1 to 3 again. Now you can see. Now let's see the time it came into that order block. This is the first candle here. I'll zoom in so you can see it clearly. This is that touched our zone. As you can see, what time? 9 a.m. Now what time did it hit TP? Let's see. Let's bring this here. Now you see, here's TP 10:30. So the first one hit TP 9:50 a.m. The second one 10:30 a.m. And they both did 3 risk to reward ratio. So if you risk $10 on each of the trade, $100, whatever your risk was, you would have made 6 times of whatever you risked. So the thing is, wake up 6 a.m. target all your zones, put your order block, know your entry, whether it's a break of structure, previous day high, whatever entry model you use, just mark it out. Then you wait from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. If you don't find an entry by this time, it might not work again, or you wait for another entry. But this is just fast. By 11 a.m. you should be done from the chart. All right, so I remind you out there, have a blessed weekend. Today is Friday. Have a blessed weekend. Make sure you back test, make sure you study well. All right, study this thing well, back test it well on these pairs that I have shown you. All right, God bless you. I love you. I remind you out there. Bye.